Christmas cake, Christmas. It's a tester. It's have a Christmas day. I like it. Why? I don't know about tell me, sir. When was it today? A Wednesday.
For me, been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Welcome back to another Vlogmas video, guys. So I already told you that today was going to be another class session. I'm actually in the 10 minutes break, so I'm hurrying to grab some more laundry to put in the machine and see if we can actually get this thing done. So today's only going to be a 2-hour class, so I'm trying to see if I can actually get the laundry done. Even if I don't get to fold everything, I'm able to actually get them washed. So at the end of the class, I'm actually able to like fold them and put them up. Can you imagine what I cooked yesterday? A whole ton of food is already done. So I have to think about what I'm going to cook again today. You know, just non-stop. But today I don't think I want to do a lot of stuff. So today's video may be extremely short. I think I'm already running on time because when I stepped up here, I had like 8 minutes remaining. So I'm gonna hurry up and put in this thing to dry and start washing and stuff and run back to the meeting. And I'll get back to you after I'm done. Okay? I am done. I am done. Oh my god. The classes are very informative, but I hate classes. Just sitting down for so long, like it gets to me. But we're done. So I didn't get to do all the laundry. As run, I only got to put some stuff to dry and take out ones that were actually dried before. So now I'm gonna go put the rest to wash. Hopefully those are dry. I'm gonna get me some iced coffee to get some energy. And I was watching this kung fu movie. I'm gonna finish that, and then after that, I'm gonna just start straightening up the place. So let's go do some laundry. Guys, we have Christmas cake right here. So I see it. I think my husband brought it here last night. So which means that this will come from my sister-in-law. She's the bakest every Christmas. So I next to go special one. I'm start eating this already. So I'm gonna take a piece of this right now to eat with me my iced coffee. I watch a movie. Like it. So yeah. Christmas cake. It's a tester. It's have a Christmas day. I like it. Actually, I'm gonna do the taste test first. Let's do the taste test first. See if it makes sense. You're strained. Alright, so I'm gonna go eat. Where's the corner piece? Corner piece. I watch a movie and chill a little bit, and then get up and figure out I'm gonna go cook and straighten up the place. So I see ya. So guys, many hours later, so like what, 10:30. I'm about to go edit this video, but before I received a package just now, and I just want to show you. I think this is the start, so we're going to put it on the tree before we close out this vlog. And why? I don't know about tell me say. When am I saying today a Wednesday? In my head, today is actually Tuesday. And the only reason I realized that today is actually Wednesday is because I'm over here, Tavani and Tristan cursing. They were arguing. And Tristan told her about tomorrow being Thursday and blah blah. And I'm like, I start thinking, I'm like, what, tomorrow on Wednesday? Tomorrow on a Thursday. And then just thinking about it, I realized that yeah, tomorrow is Thursday. Well, let me tell you, 2 things that threw me off was, 1, the fact that there was no school on Monday because of the rain. And secondly, I have my nail appointment tomorrow, and normally I have my nail appointments on a Wednesday. So like the 2 things, like I have so many things planned for Thursday, and that's not gonna happen because tomorrow is Thursday. So I have work. I just couldn't believe all the day. I was wondering, for some reason I was feeling a little bit relaxed. I was like, yeah, I have one more day to like just chill. And luckily I started the laundry with all the online classes that I have, because then I would be going 2 weeks without laundry because I didn't do any laundry last week because I was just so exhausted and I have so many things to do. But yeah, tomorrow is Thursday, one day before work. Luckily I were working just 2 days this week because we're getting Christmas Eve off, so that is wonderful. Last year we actually just worked the Friday because we got Saturday was New Year's, was Christmas Eve, and then Christmas was actually on a Sunday. So yeah, next year we just go for work every day, which sucks. But anywho, we're gonna unbox or unbag, because it's actually a bag. We're gonna unbag this star, and then we're gonna switch it. Okay, so let's go. All right, so we have the bag here. Tin light tree top. So this is what it's looking like. It's small though. I think it's perfect for the tree, but I didn't know it was gonna be that small. See it go? Alright, so it comes with the little instruction manual thingy-majig here. It comes with the star itself, with the base. This length, little man, and it comes with extra bulb. So we're gonna put this on the tree right now. guys, that's it. Alright, so guys, this is what it's looking like. I did add some extra accessories from the Dollar Tree haul that you guys may have seen. I did add some extra ornaments, some extra balls that I had here. You see, I also bought some of the pins. So this is what it is looking like. So guys, that is it. I'm about to edit right now. As I said before, it's 10. What time? I'm trying to cut that hour. This is saying 10:35 right now. So I'm about to edit this video and post it right now. It shouldn't take me long because it's not. I know this is like, should be like the shortest video you have seen since Vlogmas. But yeah, I'm gonna edit this video right now and post it. So you'll see this in a few. Okay. All right. No, before I go, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, drop a comment under the comment section, and share the video, please and thank you. All right, guys, until next time, bye.
Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is